Hello my lovely kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Olympiad Maths class 6 by Galaxy Publications. Now we are starting chapter 5 fractions, a number that compares part of an object or a set with the whole. Particularly the quotient of two whole numbers is written in the form of x upon y. It is called a fraction. The fraction 1 by 7, which means 1 divided by 7, can be represented as one pencil out of a box of 7 pencils. So a fraction is a part of a whole, a part of a collection. A fraction comprises two numbers separated by a horizontal line. The number above the horizontal line is called the numerator and the number below the horizontal line is called the denominator of the fraction. So numerator upon denominator, like 6 upon 11. Okay. Now we are talking about fractions as a part of whole. Divide a circle into 4 equal parts, then shaded parts represent different fractions. See, we have taken one circle, we are taking 4 equal parts, one part shaded, so this represents 1 by 4. Here 2 parts shaded, so 2 by 4. Here 3 parts shaded, 3 by 4. Here 4 parts shaded, so 4 by 4, that is 1. Suppose one chocolate is distributed among 6 friends, then each one will get 1 by 6 of the chocolate and 1 is the numerator and 6 is the denominator. Now fraction as a part of a group or collection. A fraction represents parts of a collection, the numerator being the number of parts we have and the denominator being the total number of parts in the collection. Like here, see, total parts 8 and out of 8 we have taken 4 shaded. So fraction becomes 4 by 8 or we can write 1 by 2. Now we have soft toys 9 and we have taken 3. So 3 out of 9, 3 by 9, that is 1 by 3. Okay. Now fraction as a part of division, we can write 5 divided by 7 as 5 upon 7, where 5 by 7 represents a fraction. Similarly 8 upon 13 means 8 divided by 13. Now example 1. What fraction of a day is 12 hours? You know, in one day we have total number of hours 24. So 12 upon 24, right? So that is 1 by 2 of a day. Okay. Now example 2. 40 minutes is what fraction of an hour? तो हम क्या करेंगे, हमें 40 मिनट्स 1 आवर का कितना फ्रैक्शन है, इट मीन्स वी हैव टू मेक द यूनिट सेम. सो 1 आवर इक्वल्स टू 60 मिनट्स, सो 40 अपॉन 60, सो कट इट, वी आर गेटिंग 2 by 3, right? Now example 3. Rohan had 50 mangoes with him. He gave 30 of them to his elder brother Manish. What fraction of mangoes is left with him? So total number of mangoes 50. He has given to his brother 30. So remaining apples 20. So fraction 20 out of 50. 20 upon 50 means 2 upon 5. Okay. Now example 4. Write numbers from 1 to 20. What fraction of them are a part odd numbers? So 1 to 20, how many odd numbers we have? Here we have 10 in number, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. So total numbers from 1 to 20, odd numbers 10. So 10 upon 20, answer is 1 by 2. Now B part, even numbers. How many even numbers? So even numbers also 10. So fraction is 10 upon 20, that is 1 by 2. Now C part, prime numbers. Which are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 means total 8 numbers. So 8 upon 20, cut it by 4, you will get 2 by 5. Now D part, composite numbers. So we know 1 is neither prime nor composite. So just count composite numbers. So composite numbers are 11. So 11 out of 20, 11 by 20. This is the fraction. Okay. Now example 5. A bag contains 12 white, 6 red and 5 black balls. So find the fraction of A part white balls. So total number of balls 12 plus 6 plus 5 23. So 12 upon 23 is the fraction of white balls. Now B part. So now B part black balls. How many black? 5. So fraction is 5 upon 23. Okay. Then C part red balls. How many red? Red balls 6. So fraction is 6 upon 23. Right. Now come to example 6. Chand received a cassette player as gift for his birthday. He bought 7 cassettes and received 11 cassettes as gift. Find the fraction of the cassettes he bought and cassettes he got as gift. So total number of cassettes are 7 plus 11, 18, and fraction A part, fraction of cassettes he bought 7 out of 18, 7 upon 18, and B part, fraction of gifted cassettes 11 upon 18. Very simple. Now exercise 1. See question number 1. Write the fraction for each of the following. Like here B part, total parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 are shaded. So fraction is 2 upon 6. Okay. Like F part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. 2 are shaded. 2 upon 5. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now question number 2, shade the portion according to the fraction given. Like A part, total parts 8, 3 by 8 means 3 parts must be shaded. तो आप क्या करेंगे? Take any 3 parts, shade it. Okay, right? So you can try remaining parts. Now see question number 4. What fraction of a kg is 550 gram? 1 kg का 550 gram कितना fraction है? You know 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So 550 upon 1000. We can cut the 0, cut it by 5. So 11 upon 20. Right? So I hope this is clear to you. Okay, now like 7th question, Raju played 6 cricket matches. His team lost 2 matches. Now what fraction of the matches did they win? So winning matches 4. So 4 upon 6. So that is 2 by 3. Okay, similarly you can try remaining questions. Now the next we have types of fraction. Fractions are of 3 types. A part, proper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is smaller than or less than the denominator, that is a proper fraction. A proper fraction is always less than a whole, means less than 1. For example, 2 by 3, 5 by 7, 1 by 6, 3 by 9, etc. Now B part, improper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called an improper fraction. An improper fraction is always greater than a whole. It is always greater than 1. For example, 6 upon 5, 11 upon 7, 13 upon 8, etc. Now C part, unit fraction. Fractions with numerator 1 are called unit fraction. For example, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 11, etc. Now representation of fractions on number line. How we can show fractions on the number line? We have learnt the representation of integers and whole numbers on number line. Now we will learn the representation of fractions on the number line. So draw a number line. Consider various proper fractions like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, etc. Each of them is greater than 0 and less than 1. So each one of them lies between 0 and 1. We draw a number line and mark 2 points on it and name them as 0 and 1. हम क्या करेंगे? 0 और 1 फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, देन 0 एंड 1 मार्क कर देंगे. लाइक टू रिप्रेजेंट 1 by 2 ऑन द नंबर लाइन, तो हम क्या करेंगे? 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स ले लेंगे, 1 2. Okay, so this is 1 by 2, this is 2 by 2, that is 1. Okay, so the next is, similarly we can show 1 by 3 on the number line. It is also between 0 and 1. फिर हम क्या करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर में 3 है, we will take 3 equal parts, 1, 2, 3. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, this is 3 by 3, that is 1. Okay, so similarly you can show any proper fraction on the number line. Now we are showing representation of mixed fraction. Let us draw a number line and represent 1 whole 1 by 3 or 5 whole 2 by 5 on it. अब आप देखो 1 whole 1 by 3 lying between 1 and 2, right? And इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, 0, 1, 2 मार्क कर दिया. Now denominator is 3, so we are taking 3 equal parts between 1 and 2. So 1, 2, 3. This is 1, यहाँ तक तो 1 है. Next 1 by 3, so this is 1 whole 1 by 3. Okay, now we have to show 5 whole 2 by 5 on the number line. This is lying between 5 and 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, अब हम क्या करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर इज 5, तो 5 और 6 के बीच में हम 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स ले लेंगे. Okay, so this is 1 by 5, the second one is 2 by 5. So this is 5 whole 2 by 5. Very simple. Now example 7, represent 3 by 4 on a number line. So this is a proper fraction. It will lie between 0 and 1. So we first divide the line segment between 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts. Okay, and the third one will show 3 by 4, right? I hope this is clear to you. Now see example 8. Give a proper fraction whose a part numerator is 6 and the denominator is 11, that is 6 upon 11. Now B part, denominator is 13 and numerator is 9. So answer is 9 upon 13. Now C part, numerator and denominator add up to 10. And how many are they? यानी उन दोनों का सम क्या बनना चाहिए, 10. So 1 upon 9, 1 plus 9, 10. 2 upon 8, 2 plus 8 is 10. 3 upon 7, 3 plus 7 is 10. 4 upon 6, 4 plus 6 is 10. We can't take 5 upon 5 because that is not a proper fraction. We have to write the proper fraction. Okay, so how many are they? They are 4 in number. Okay, now D part, denominator is 4 more than the numerator. Denominator जो है वो numerator से 4 ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. And how many are they? So D part, 5 upon 9 because 9 is 4 more than 5. Okay, if we take 6, 6 upon 10, 3 upon 7, 1 upon 5. So they are infinite in number. We can make so many, okay, uncountable, right? Now example 9, represent 3 whole 1 by 5 and 4 whole 3 by 5 on a number line. So first step, draw a number line. Now the second step, divide the gap between 3 and 4 in 5 equal parts and 4 and 5 in 5 equal parts. Okay, now the first part, 3 whole 1 by 5, it is lying between 3 and 4. हमने 5 equal parts लिए हैं. So 3 whole 1 by 5, the first one, this is showing 3 whole 1 by 5. Now the second number, 4 whole 3 by 5, between 4 and 5, the third one, 4 whole 3 by 5. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now the next is mixed fractions. A fraction which is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. All improper fractions can be written in the form of mixed fraction. Like 2 whole 1 by 4 is mixed fraction. Since 2 is a whole number and 1 by 4 is a proper fraction. Now how we can change mixed fraction into improper fraction? So what to do? Step 1, like here, we can convert a mixed fraction 2 whole 3 by 4 into improper fraction. How? Step 1, multiply the whole number by the denominator. 2 into 4, that is 8. Okay. Now step 2, add the numerator of the fractional part to the product obtained in the above step. आपके पास प्रोडक्ट आया है 2 into 4 8, 8 plus 3 that is 11. Now the next step, write the sum obtained in step B in the numerator of the required fraction. 11 is the numerator, and the last step, the denominator is the same as that of the fractional part, so that is 11 upon 4 is the improper fraction. So here mixed number equals to whole into denominator plus numerator upon denominator, right? Now example 10, convert the following mixed fractions into improper fraction. Very simple. A part 3 whole 4 by 5, 3 into 5 plus 4 upon 5, 15 plus 4 upon 5, 19 upon 5. Now B part 6 whole 5 by 8. So 8 into 6 plus 5 upon 8, 48 plus 5 upon 8, 53 upon 8. Now C part 5 whole 7 by 9. So 5 into 9 plus 7 upon 9, 45 plus 7 that is 52 upon 9. I hope this is clear to you. Now the next, conversion of improper fractions into mixed fraction. We can convert improper fraction like 35 upon 9 है, mixed में कैसे change करेंगे? Divide 35 by 9. We know 9 3s are 27, so 3 as quotient and 8 as denominator. तो इसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे? Write quotient as a whole number 3, okay, and write the remainder as the numerator of the fractional part and the denominator of the improper fraction as the denominator of the fractional part. So this becomes 3 whole 8 by 9, means quotient remainder upon divisor. Okay, see example 11, convert the following as mixed fraction. So A part 23 upon 5, divide 23 by 5, 4 is quotient, 3 is remainder, so answer is 4 whole 3 by 5. Now B part 37 upon 6, divide 37 by 6, we are getting 6 as quotient, 1 is remainder, so answer is 6 whole 1 by 6. Now C part 45 upon 8, divide 45 by 8, 5 is quotient and 5 is remainder, answer is 5 whole 5 by 8. Now D part 50 upon 7, divide 50 by 7, 7 is quotient and 1 is remainder, so 7 whole 1 by 7. Now the next we are talking about equivalent fractions. Fractions with the same value are called equivalent fractions. On multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator of a given fraction by same non-zero number, we get equivalent fractions. Like fractions 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 represent equivalent fractions as they represent same parts of a whole. Like here you can see, here this is 1 by 2, this is 2 by 4, this is 3 by 6, this is 4 by 8. If we place each of the given squares on one another, then the shaded parts of 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8 will coincide, suggesting they represent the same part of the whole. Okay, now equivalent fractions of a given fraction. कोई fraction given है, उसका हमें equivalent fraction कैसे find करना है? To find an equivalent fraction, we multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by same non-zero number. Like example 12, find 5 fraction equivalent to 5 by 7. So what to do? Multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 4. So any number you can choose. So we are getting 10 by 14, 15 by 21, 20 by 28, 25 by 35 and 30 upon 42, like this. Okay, now example 13, find an equivalent fraction of 5 by 8 having denominator equal to 56. हमें denominator में 56 चाहिए. You know 8 7s are 56. Okay, so what to do? 8 को हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 7 से, तो 5 को भी हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 7 से. So answer is 35 upon 56. Okay, now come to example 14. Fill up this box with appropriate numeral. So Write a fraction equivalent to 3 by 4 with numerator 15. So here we have 3 by 4. We want numerator 15. Okay. अब आपको पता है 3 और 15. How you will get 15 from 3? 3 into 5. It means 3 into 5 करेंगे तो नीचे भी हम क्या करेंगे 4 into 5. So 4 into 5. So answer is 15 upon 20. Okay. Now example 15. Find the numeral to fill this box if. So A part 20 upon 36 equals to this box upon 9. So here 36 and 9. What is the relation? 9 36 से कैसे आएगा? If we divide by 4. So divide by 4 both numerator and denominator. So 20 divide by 4. 36 divide by 4. Answer is 5 upon 9. Now B part 30 upon 75 equals to this box upon 5. अब 75 से 5 कैसे आएगा? If we divide 75 by 15, so divide the given denominators and numerators by 15. So we are getting 30 divided by 15. 75 divided by 15. Answer is 2 upon 5. Now to test whether two given fractions are equivalent or not. So we can check the equivalence of two fractions by two ways, by two methods. The first one by cross product and the second one by reducing to lowest form. So A part by cross product. Suppose we have two fraction A upon B and C upon D. हम क्या कर देंगे cross multiply. So AD and BC. If these are equal, it means fractions are equivalent. And the second part, B part, by reducing to lowest form. A fraction is said to be in the lowest form or the simplest form if its numerator and denominator do not have any common factor other than 1. Or you can say find HCF of numerator of given fraction and then divide its numerator and denominator by their HCF to get the lowest term. When you will do question, it would be clear to you. Like here, suppose let the given fraction is A upon B and their HCF is H. तो हम क्या करेंगे? दोनों को H से कट कर देंगे, डिवाइड कर देंगे. We will get the lowest form. Now example 16. Show if 5 by 8 and 20 upon 32 are equivalent fraction. Cross multiply कर दें. What will you get? 5 into 32, 8 into 20. Both are equal, 160, 160. That's why both the fractions are equivalent. Example 17 is 30 upon 35 in its simplest form. So to check whether this is in simplest form or not, what to do? We will find HCF of 30 and 35, which is 5. So this is not the simplest form. Okay. Now example 18, reduce 21 upon 35 in its lowest form. So both the numbers are cancelled by 7. Okay. Their HCF is 7. So cut it by 7. Answer is 3 upon 5, right? Now example 19, show that 7 upon 12 and 36 upon 60 are not equivalent fraction. Cross multiply कर दें. 7 into 60, 12 into 36. So both are different. This is 420 and 432. So that's why these fractions are not equivalent. Now see exercise 2 based on this type of examples. So question number 1, represent these fractions on number line. You can try on your own. Now the second one, express the following improper fraction as mixed fraction, like C part 17 upon 5. So divide 17 by 5. 5 3s are 15. So how you can write 3 whole 2 by 5. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now question number 3, express the following as improper fraction, like C part 10 whole 3 by 5. So 10 into 5, 50 plus 3 upon 5 means 53 upon 5. So you can try remaining parts. Now next fourth question, replace this box by a number to make the fractions equivalent, like B part 4 upon 7 equals to 12 upon dash. So see 4 and 12, what is the relation? 4 से 12 कैसे आएगा? 4 3s are, so 7 3s are. So this is 21. Okay, like here G part 8 upon 14 equals to 40 upon dash. 8 and 40, 8 fives are, so 14 fives are, that is 70. Okay, I hope you can try remaining parts. Now question number 5, write a fraction equivalent to, like A part 3 by 4 with denominator 16. 3 by 4 का इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन फाइंड करना है, डिनोमिनेटर क्या होना चाहिए 16. सो हेयर 4 4s are, 3 4s are, so answer is 12 upon 16. Okay, now here like F part 4 by 8 with numerator 8. So 4 by 8 numerator 8 कैसे आएगा, into 2, 4 2s are 8. So 8 upon 16 is the answer, right? So I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, like 6th question, check if the given fractions are equivalent. So like C part 5 upon 25 and 1 upon 5. Cross multiply 5 into 5, 1 into 25. So product is same. So yes, these are equivalent. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now question number 7, reduce the following to its simplest form. So B part 95 upon 75. So both the numbers are cancelled by 5. So 5 से cancel करेंगे, you will get 19 upon 15. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now 8th, 9th and 10th question you can try on your own. Now we are coming to next, like fractions. The fraction with the same denominator are called like fraction. For example, 1 by 7, 2 by 7 and 5 by 7. Unlike fractions, the fraction with different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 3 by 7, 2 by 5 and 3 by 11. Now conversion of unlike fractions into equivalent like fractions. Suppose some unlike fractions are given. Convert each one of them into an equivalent fraction having a denominator equal to the LCM of all the denominators of the given fraction. See how to do, like example 20. Convert the given unlike fractions into equivalent like fractions. See 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 5 by 6 and 4 by 9. Take the LCM of their denominators 2, 3, 6 and 9. So LCM is 18. You know how to find out the LCM? LCM is 18. यानी denominators को हमें change करना है 18 में. So 1 upon 2, 2 into 9. So 1 into 9, 9 upon 18. Okay. Then 2 upon 3. So 3 6 are 18. So 2 6 are. So 12 upon 18. Now 5 upon 6, 6 3s are, so 5 into 3, 15 upon 18. Now 4 upon 9, 9 2s are, so 4 2s are, 8 upon 18. So these are the equivalent fractions. Very interesting and very easy. Now next is comparison of fractions. A part, fractions with the same denominator. अगर like fractions हैं, means denominator same है, then how we can compare it? So just compare the numerators. So greater the numerator, the greater is the fraction for like fraction. Okay. And B part, fractions with the same numerator. अब numerator same है तो हम कैसे कंपेयर करेंगे फ्रैक्शन को? सो यू हैव टू सी द डिनोमिनेटर्स. जो डिनोमिनेटर जितना छोटा होगा वो फ्रैक्शन उतना ही बड़ा होगा. सो दीज आर ऑल अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस बट दे हैव सेम न्यूमरेटर. So now let us see how we can represent them pictorially. So we observe that the fraction with the same numerator, smaller the denominator, the greater is the fraction. Okay. Now C part, fraction with different numerator and different denominators. Fraction with different numerator and denominator can be compared by two methods. The first one by converting them to like fractions. या तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम उन्हें लाइक फ्रैक्शंस में चेंज करें. और लाइक फ्रैक्शन में कैसे चेंज करेंगे? डिनोमिनेटर्स का एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करेंगे. लाइक हियर 2/5 एंड 5/7. सो वी आर फाइंडिंग देयर एलसीएम, दैट इज 35. अब हम क्या करेंगे? सो चेंज द denominator. So 5 into 7, 2 into 7, 14 upon 35, and here 25 upon 35. Now we can compare it. So the second fraction is greater than the first one. And the second way, cross multiplication method, to compare any two fractions such as a upon b and c upon d, we can do cross multiply. अगर हमारे पास AD is greater than BC, it means first fraction is bigger than the second one. If AD is less than BC, then first is smaller than the second one. And if AD equal to BC, then both are equal. Okay. Now see example 21. Compare the following, like A part 3 by 8 and 5 by 12. So हम cross multiply कर देंगे. So here 3 into 12 and 8 into 5. So 3 into 12 36, 8 into 5 40. It means second fraction is bigger. Now B part 5 by 9 and 6 upon 11. Cross multiply 5 into 11, 6 into 9, 55 and 54. So it means first fraction is greater. Okay. Now there is one point given. For comparing a mixed fraction with an improper fraction or two mixed fractions, first convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction and then compare as we compare two fractions. Like example 22, compare 4 whole 1 by 3 and 11 by 5. So first of all change 4 whole 1 by 3, change कर देंगे 13 upon 3. Now compare these two. Cross multiply करेंगे 11 upon 5 and 13 upon 3. So 11 into 3, 13 into 5, 33 and 65. It means 13 upon 3 is bigger than 11 upon 5. Okay. Now example 23. Payal read 50 pages of a book containing 200 pages. Jharna read 2 by 5 of the same book. Who read less? So let us find the fraction of the book read by Payal. 50 upon 200 means 1 by 4, and Jharna read 2 by 5 of book. Now compare 1 by 4 and 2 by 5. We can do cross multiply. So cross multiply से भी कर सकते हैं, and they have taken the LCM of the denominator. So LCM is 20. So this becomes 5 upon 20. This becomes 8 upon 20. So 8 upon 20 is greater than 5 upon 20. That's why 2 by 5 is greater than 1 by 4. So Payal read less. Okay. Now see example 24. Ravi exercised for 3 by 6 of an hour, while Rohit exercised for 3 by 4 of an hour. Who exercised for a longer time? So compare 3 by 4 and 3 by 6. So we can see numerators are same. So denominator 4 is less than 6. That's why 3 by 4 is greater than 3 by 6. It means Rohit exercised for longer time. Now example 25. In a class A of 25 students, 20 passed in first class. In another class B of 30 students, 24 passed in first class. In which class was a greater fraction of students getting first class? So in class A, fraction of students getting first class 20 out of 25 means 4 upon 5. In class B, fraction of students getting first class 24 upon 30, that is also 4 by 5. So same. So both the classes have same fraction of students getting first class. Now example 26. Arrange the fractions 2 upon 3, 1 by 6, 5 by 9 and 7 by 12 in ascending, in increasing order. So first of all we are changing all the fractions into like fraction. तो हम क्या करेंगे? LCM लेंगे denominators का. 3, 6, 9 and 12. Its LCM is 36. Now what to do? First fraction 2 by 3. So 3 into 12, 2 into 12, 24 upon 36. The second is 1 by 6, 6 into 6, 1 into 6, 6 upon 36, 5 upon 9, 9 into 4, 5 into 4, 20 upon 36 and 7 upon 12, 12 into 3, 7 into 3, 21 upon 36. Now compare the numerators. So 6 is the smallest one and 24 is the greatest one. So write in increasing order. 6 upon 36 less than 20 upon 36 less than 21 upon 36 less than 24 upon 36. Now write in actual form. Okay, so hence the given fraction in increasing order is 1 by 6, 5 by 9, 7 by 12 and 2 by 3. Okay, now example 27, arrange the fractions 4 by 5, 7 by 10, 8 by 15 and 17 by 30 in descending order. These are unlike fractions, so take the LCM of denominators, LCM of 5, 10, 15 and 30, that is 30. Now convert into equivalent fractions with denominator 30. So the first is 4 by 5. So what will you get? 5 into 6, 4 into 6, 24 by 30. 7 by 10, 10 threes are 7 threes are 21 by 30. 8 by 15, 15 twos are 8 twos are 16 by 30. Then 17 by 30, 30 into 1, 17 into 1, 17 by 30. Now compare the numerators. Now the greatest one is 24 and the smallest one is 16. So write in decreasing order, greatest to smallest. So 24 by 30 is greater than 21 by 30, greater than 17 by 30, greater than 16 by 30. Now write in actual form, actual fraction. So answer is 4 by 5, comma 7 by 10, comma 17 by 30, comma 8 upon 5. Okay. Now exercise 3 based on such type of examples. See question number 1, write shaded portion as fraction, arrange them in ascending order using correct sign less than, greater than or equal to between the fraction. Like A part, what is the fraction? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 parts. So fraction is 3 upon 8 and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 upon 8, here 4 by 8 and here 2 by 8. Okay. Now arrange in ascending order, increasing order. So smallest one is 2 and the greatest one is 6 numerator. So here 2 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8, greater than 4 by 8, greater than 6 by 8. Okay. Similarly, you can try B part. Now question number 2, represent 1 by 5, 4 by 5, 2 by 5, 5 by 5, 6 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5 and 10 by 5 on the number line. You can show it and then insert appropriate sign greater than, less than or equal to. Like here A part, 8 upon 5, 2 by 5. So which is greater? 8 by 5. So like this you can compare it. Now the third question, compare the fraction and put appropriate sign greater than, less than or equal to. Like here B part 3 by 7 and 5 by 3. क्या करें? Cross multiply कर दें. What will you get? 3 into 3 9, 7 into 5 35. So it means this one is greater. Okay. Now here like H part 7 upon 5, 4 by 7. Cross multiply 49, this is 20. So first one is greater. 7 by 5 is greater than 4 by 7. Similarly, you can try fourth question. Like now fifth question, convert the following into equivalent like fractions. Like here B part 17 upon 21, 19 upon 7. Make the denominator same, take the LCM, LCM is 21. So 17 by 21 as it is, 19 upon 7, 7 threes are 19 into 3. So that is 57 upon 21. So similarly, you can try remaining parts. Okay. Now see like 8th question, Miss Aruna bought 15 whole 1 by 4 kg of apples and Miss Meena bought 15 whole 2 by 3 kg of apples. Who bought less number of apples? So compare it. So this is what? This is 15 whole 1 by 4 means 61 by 4 and this is 45 plus 2 47 upon 3. So cross multiply kar de, 61 into 3, 47 into 4. So what will you get? You will get This one 183 and 188. So this is greater. So who bought more? Meena bought more apples, or you can say Aruna bought less number of apples, right? So similarly you can try remaining parts. Okay. Now the next is operations on fractions, addition and subtraction of like fraction. For adding and subtracting like fractions, we follow these steps. What to do? Add or subtract the numerators with the common denominator, reduce the fraction to its lowest term, and if the result is an improper fraction, convert it into a mixed fraction. Very simple. Example 28, add 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 5 by 8. So what to do? Take the sum of numerators. So now add numerators. So take the sum of numerators, 3 plus 1 plus 5, that is 9, and the common denominator is 8. So answer is 9 upon 8. This is an improper fraction. इसको हम change कर देंगे mixed fraction में. Now example 29, subtract 6 upon 7 from 11 upon 7. So 11 upon 7 minus 6 upon 7. Subtract the numerators, 11 minus 6, 5. So answer is 5 upon 7. Very simple. Now addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. For adding or subtracting unlike fractions, we follow these steps. The first one, find the LCM of denominators of the given fractions. Then the second one, convert unlike fractions into like fractions by making LCM as its denominator, and then add or subtract the like fractions. See example 30, add 8 upon 9 and 5 upon 12. Now you can see these are unlike fractions. So take the LCM of denominators. 9 and 12 का LCM लेंगे, that is 36. Now 8 upon 9, it becomes 9 4s are 36, 8 4s are 32 upon 36. Now 5 upon 12, 12 3s are, 5 3s are 15 upon 36. Now what to do? Add these two. So what we are getting? 47 upon 36 we can convert into mixed fraction. Now example 31, subtract 5 upon 7 from 9 upon 5. Now these are unlike fractions, so what to do? Convert them into equivalent like fractions. तो हम क्या लेंगे? LCM लेंगे 5 और 7 का, that is 35. So here 9 upon 5, 5 7s are 9 7s are 63 upon 35. Now 5 upon 7, 7 5s are 5 5s are 25 upon 35. So now subtract 63 upon 35 minus 25 upon 35. So here what we are getting? 38 upon 35. Convert into mixed fraction. Now example 32, simplify 2 whole 1 by 3 plus 1 whole 2 by 3. Convert into improper fractions. We are getting 7 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. These are like fraction. So just add the numerator. 7 plus 5 upon 3, 12 upon 3, that is 4, right? Now example 33, simplify 4 by 20 plus 11 by 20 plus 1 by 20. All are like fraction. Take the LCM. LCM is 20. So add the numerators. 4 plus 11 plus 1, 16 upon 20. दोनों cancel कर देंगे 4 से, 4 upon 5. Okay. Now example 34. Simplify 17 upon 32 minus 9 upon 32. Like fraction है. Simply minus कर देंगे numerators को. 17 minus 9, 8 upon 32, that is 1 by 4. Now example 35. Simplify 2 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 3 by 15. Unlike fractions हैं. LCM लेंगे denominators का. LCM आ जाएगा 45. So 2 by 3, 3 15s are 45. So 2 15s are, it becomes 30 upon 45. Now second fraction 1 upon 9, 9 5s are. So 1 into 5, 5 upon 45. Now the next 3 upon 15, 15 3s are, so 3 3s are, so 9 upon 45. Now add all the numerators, so you will get 30 plus 5 plus 9 upon 45. So answer is 44 upon 45. Now come to example 36. Simplify 1 whole 3 by 7 plus 2 whole 1 by 5. So these are unlike fractions. So first of all change them into improper fractions. we are getting 10 by 7 plus 11 by 5. Take the LCM, LCM is 35. Now 7 5s are, so 10 5s are, right? And 5 7s are, so 11 7s are, okay? So 50 plus 77 upon 35, that is 127 upon 35, and then convert into mixed fraction. There is another way to solve such type of questions. हमें क्या करना है, like 1 whole 3 by 7 plus 2 whole 1 by 5, तो हम जो whole parts हैं 1 and 2 इनको combine कर देंगे और fractional parts को combine कर देंगे. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 5, 1 plus 2 is 3. Now add these two fractions by taking LCM. So we are getting 3 plus 22 by 35, and we can write it like this. So you can do by any way, both are very simple and easy. Now example 37, simplify 7 upon 9 minus 2 by 3. These are unlike fractions. Take the LCM of denominators, that is 9. So 7 by 9 as it is. 2 by 3, 3 3s are, 2 3s are. So what we are getting, 7 minus 6 upon 9 means 1 upon 9. Okay. Now example 38, simplify 1 whole 2 by 3 minus 5 upon 7. So now 1 whole 2 by 3 minus 5 by 7 convert into improper fraction. 5 upon 3 minus 5 upon 7. Take the LCM of denominators, that is 21. Now 3 7s are, 5 7s are, 7 3s are, 5 3s are. So what we are getting, 5 into 7 35 minus 15 upon 21 means 20 upon 21. Now example 39, simplify 17 upon 3 minus 2 whole 1 by 4. So 17 upon 3 minus 9 by 4. Now take the LCM, LCM is 12. So now 3 4s are, 17 4s are, 4 3s are, 9 3s are. So 17 into 4 minus 9 into 3, 68 minus 27 upon 12. So answer is 41 upon 12, convert into mixed fraction. Now the next is addition of a whole number and a fraction. A part, if a whole number is to be added to a proper fraction, we write their sum as a mixed number in which the whole number is the integral part and the fraction is the fractional part. See, 4 plus 3 by 5, we can write 4 whole 3 by 5. Okay. Now B part, if a whole number is to be added to an improper fraction, we write improper fraction as mixed fraction and then add the whole number and the integral part of mixed fraction. See, write this sum as the integral part of the sum and the fractional part of the mixed fraction as the fractional part of the sum. See, 4 plus 21 upon 5, 21 upon 5 को हम mixed में change कर देंगे. We are getting 4 whole 1 by 5. Now what to do? 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1 by 5 means 8 whole 1 by 5. Okay. Now we are talking about subtraction of whole number and a fraction. To find the difference between a whole number and a fraction, we proceed as follows. Step 1. Write 1 as denominator under the whole number. Step 2. Change them into equivalent like fractions. And step 3, write the difference of numerators as numerator and common denominator as denominator. Like 4 minus 11 upon 5. So 4 upon 1 minus 11 upon 5. Now what to do? Take the LCM. LCM is 5. So 1 5s are, 4 5s are. So this one as it is, right? So 20 minus 11 upon 5. So 9 upon 5 change into mixed fraction. Similarly, we have 1 whole 2 by 3 minus 4 upon 5. So we are getting 5 upon 3 minus 4 by 5. Take the LCM. LCM is 15. So 3 5s are, 5 5s are. And here 5 3s are, 4 3s are. So 25 minus 12, that is 13 upon 15. I hope these are clear to you. Now we are coming to example 40. Simplify 3 minus 4 by 7. 3 है, 3 upon 1 लिख देंगे, minus 4 by 7. Take the LCM. LCM is 7 only. So So 1 sevens are 3 sevens are, and here 7 ones are 4 ones are, right? So 3 into 7, 21 minus 4, 17 upon 7, convert into mixed fraction. Example 41, simplify 15 upon 7 minus 2. So 2 upon 1 लिख देंगे, take the LCM, LCM is 7. So here 7 into 1, 15 into 1 minus 1 into 7, 2 into 7. So 15 minus 14, 1 upon 7. Example 42, simplify 9 minus 40 upon 9. 9 है तो 9 upon 1 minus 40 upon 9. Take the LCM, the LCM is 9. So here 1 into 9, 9 into 9, 81 minus 9 into 1, 40 into 1, right? So 81 minus 40, 41 upon 9, convert into mixed fraction, right? Now example 43, simplify 11 upon 10 plus 5 whole 1 by 15 plus 3. Now first of all, what to do? Here we have two mixed fraction and one is a whole number. तो हम क्या करें, पहले सारे होल पार्ट्स को कंबाइन कर दें. So 1 plus 5 plus 3, right? It becomes 9. And now take the fractional part, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे by taking LCM. LCM is 30. So it becomes 3 plus 2 and 9 as it is. So 9 plus 5 upon 30, right? It becomes 1 by 6. So answer is 9 whole 1 by 6, right? Now example 44, simplify 4 whole 3 by 5 plus 2 plus 3 whole 1 by 10. So what to do? 4 plus 3 by 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 by 10. Collect the whole parts, collect the fractional parts. So what we are getting? 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9. And combine these two, take the LCM, LCM is 10. So this becomes 5 2s are 3 2s are. So 3 into 2 plus 10 into 1, 1 into 1, right? So 9 plus 7 upon 10. So answer is 9 whole 7 upon 10, okay? Now see example 45, fill this box with correct fraction. 7 upon 10 minus dash equals to 3 upon 10. So what should be subtracted from 7 upon 10 so that we are getting result 3 upon 10. तो इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, 7 upon 10 में से 3 upon 10 को माइनस कर दें. Now these are like fraction, so just subtract numerator. So 7 minus 3, that is 4 upon 10. So 4 upon 10 is the answer, okay? Now example 46, fill this box with correct fraction. Dash minus 3 upon 21 equals to 5 upon 21. अब हम किस में से 3 upon 21 को माइनस करें so that we are getting 5 upon 21. So in this case what to do, हम इन दोनों को कर देंगे add. So 3 upon 21 plus 5 upon 21. So these are like fractions. So 8 upon 21 is the answer, right? Now example 47. Fill this box with correct fraction. Dash minus 3 upon 6 equals to 3 upon 6. So what to do? Add 3 by 6 and 3 by 6. So 3 by 6 plus 3 by 6. This is 6 by 6. That is equal to 1, right? Now example 48. Fill this box with correct fraction. Dash plus 5 upon 27 equals to 12 upon 27. So इस फ्रैक्शन में हम क्या ऐड करें so that we are getting 12 upon 27. So what to do? 12 upon 27 में से 5 upon 27 को माइनस कर दें. So 12 upon 27 minus 5 upon 27, both are like fraction. So 12 minus 5, 7 upon 27. Okay, we can check our answer. 7 upon 27 plus 5 upon 27, that is 12 upon 27. Now the next word problems on addition and subtraction of fractions. Example 49. Shubham painted 2 by 3 of wall space in his room. His sister Madhvi helped him and painted 1 by 3 of the wall space. So how much did they paint together? Means addition. So Shubham painted 2 by 3, his sister painted 1 by 3. So total wall painted 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Both are like fraction. So 3 by 3. Just add the numerator. So answer is 1. So together they painted whole wall. Okay. Now the next example 50. Javed was given 5/7 of a basket of oranges. So what fraction of oranges was left in the basket? So now fraction of oranges given to Javed 5/7. Now oranges left 1 minus 5/7. So what to do? Take the LCM 7. So 7 minus 5, 2/7 of oranges were left in the basket. Now example 51. Sarita bought 1 whole 2/5 meter of ribbon and Lalita bought 3/4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? Okay. So now Sarita bought ribbon 1 whole 2/5 meter. Lalita bought ribbon 3/4 meter. So total length of ribbon 1 whole 2/5 plus 3/4 meter. 7/5 plus 3/4, LCM is 20. So 7 into 4 plus 3 into 5, 28 plus 15, 43 upon 20, change into mixed fraction. Now the another way how we can do it, अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसको हम change नहीं करेंगे improper fraction में. So what we are doing, we are writing 1 plus 2/5 plus 3/4. Now add these two fractions 5 and 4, take the LCM, LCM is 20. We are getting 8 plus 15. So 1 plus 23 upon 20. Okay. Now convert into mixed fraction 1 whole 3/20. Now add 1 plus 1, 2 whole 3/20. So you can do by any way. Now example 52. A piece of wire 7/8 meter long broke into 2 pieces. One piece was 1/4 meter long. How long is the other piece? So here total length is given 7/8 meter and length of one piece is 1/4 meter. So what is the length of the other piece? Total में से one piece length को minus कर देंगे. 7/8 minus 1/4. Take the LCM. LCM is 8. 7 minus 2, 5/8 meter. Now example 53. Asha's shelf is 5/6 full and Samuel's shelf is 2/5 full. Whose bookshelf is more full and by what fraction? यानी इन दोनों को हमें कंपेयर करना है. So 5/6 and 2/5. So how we can do it? We can do cross multiplication और हम इनको change कर सकते हैं equivalent like fractions में. So to check whose bookshelf is more full, we will compare these two fractions. Now take the LCM of 6 and 5, that is 30. So this becomes 6 into 5, 5 into 5, 25 upon 30, and this is 5 into 6, 2 into 6, 12 upon 30. It means 5 upon 6 is bigger than 2 upon 5. It means Asha's shelf is more full. और कितना ज़्यादा है, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस फाइंड कर लेंगे. सो हेयर 5/6 minus 2/5, so that is 25 minus 12 upon 30 means 13 upon 30, right? Now example 54. Tanvi bought a notebook for rupees this and a pen for rupees this, 10 whole 2/5. How much money should she pay to the shopkeeper? Means total. So cost of a notebook rupees 8 whole 3/4, convert into improper fraction 35/4. Cost of a pen 52/5. दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे, दोनों अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस हैं, दोनों का LCM लेंगे. LCM is 20. So 4 5s are 35 5s are 5 4s are 52 into 4. So now add the numerator. So what we are getting, rupees 383 upon 20. Now convert into mixed fraction. So Tanvi should pay rupees 19 whole 3/20 to the shopkeeper. Now example 55. 3 boxes weigh 18 whole 3/4 kg, 7 whole 1/2 kg and 10 whole 1/5 kg respectively. Now a porter carries all these 3 boxes. What is the total weight carried by the porter? So what to do? Add all these. Okay, so now first convert into improper fraction. So 75/4 plus 15/2 plus 51/5. Take the LCM. LCM is 20. Now take the numerator. So what will you get? 4 5s are 75 into 5, 375. 2 10s are 15 10s are 150. 5 4s are 51 into 4, 204. Add all these numerators. So we are getting 729 upon 20 kg convert into mixed fraction. So this is the answer. Now example 56. The cost of a pen is rupees 6 whole 2 by 3 and of a pencil is rupees 4 whole 1 by 6. Which cost more and by how much? यानी दोनों को कंपेयर करना है. Cost of a pen is rupees 20 by 3 and cost of pencil is 25 by 6. So make the denominator same. LCM आएगा 6. So this becomes 40 by 6 and this is 25 by 6. So which is bigger? Cost of pen is bigger than cost of pencil. And how much? Minus कर देंगे 15 upon 6. Now change into mixed fraction. So answer is 2 whole 3 by 6 means 2 whole 1 by 2. So cost of pen is more than the cost of pencil by rupees 2 whole 1 by 2. Okay. Now come to exercise 4. Like the first question, add the following and reduce it to lowest form. Like here C part 6 upon 17 plus 3 by 17 plus 4 by 17. These are like fractions. So what to do? Just add the numerator. So what will you get? 6 plus 3 plus 4 means 13 upon 17. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. ऐसे second question है, find the difference and reduce to its lowest form. Okay. Similarly, you can try second question, find the difference and reduce to its lowest form. Okay. Now here, like sixth question, a man purchased 20 liter of vegetable oil. He gave 5 whole 3 by 4 liter of oil to his son and 6 whole 1 by 5 liter to her daughter. Find the oil left with him. तो हम क्या करेंगे? First of all, add these two. इन दोनों को add करके 20 में से minus कर देंगे. Right? Now, see 8th question. Jaspreet traveled 20 whole 2 by 5 kilometer by car and 10 whole 1 by 4 kilometer by bus. Find the total distance covered by her. So what to do? Add these two. Okay. Similarly, you can try these questions. Now this is the time of mental maths. Question number 1, filling the blanks. A part, fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. B part, fractions having same denominators are called like fraction. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now similarly, question number 2, state true or false. Like A part, a fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator is called an improper fraction. Yes, this statement is true. Like B part, the fractions having different numerators are said to be unlike fractions. No, this statement is false. So similarly, you can try rest the statements. Now math lab activity, addition of like fractions. Let us assume that we have to add 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. So we are showing addition of like fraction by this activity. You can try this one on your own. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day and take care.